Thank you. Generosity notices no Uzkawaki tak Norisaki kata Uzka Uzvir for one class Oxmas Foto Koya Zam.
Star Tours is now offering convenient daily departures to the tranquil planet of Naboo. Visit historic landmarks in the capital city of Phoenix. You might even catch a glimpse of the recently elected Queen of Naboo. Or, if you crave adventure, you won't want to miss a tour of the once-hidden Gungan City. Then, rent a bongo and take your entire family through the mysterious planet core. Whatever your desire, you'll find it on Naboo. Non-stop flights depart daily, so don't delay. Visit Naboo today.
Is this your first flight? Don't worry, I still need to nervous rest. We're gonna have a great flight. I'm sure it'll be a smooth. Is that a dog or a man? I have no idea. It looks pretty goofy to me. I love this job, and I'm good at it too. I am always vigilant. That's right. I don't fiddle around. Hey! Here comes another bag. They never stop. Never. Isn't that great? I don't know why I do it, but bags stop coming. I have no purpose in mind.
I don't like.
It's the point.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors are opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with the restraints securely fastened. Please watch your shoulder.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado, y cuiden a los pequeños.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields up, R2! Where are we going? This is madness! R2, don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Now what? Pod race! I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him! Gives us twice the power! mission.
This is Admiral Akbar. By now you know that your star speeder is carrying an agent vital to our rebel cause.
The spy?
Precisely. Deliver them safely to the rendezvous point I am transmitting to your R2 unit. Good luck, and may the Force be with you.
R2D2, what are you saying? This is madness! This can't be right.
You can run, but you can't hide. Not from me.
That dreadful bounty hunter! I have a bad feeling about this. I'm getting us out of here. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Say goodbye, rebel spy.
Sonic bomb! Oh, God. No! Good Scott, Otto! Now get us out of here!
Star Tours, we were concerned about you. Is our agent safe?
Safe, but perhaps a little shaken.
We're grateful you made it. You are all heroes of the rebellion.
I rather like the sound of that. Now be careful out there, all of you. The Empire is watching. Pardon me, but how do we get back to it? Star Tours Terminal! Hello?
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.